Hello, I'm going to demonstrate the sexual propagation. First, I prepare the materials, and we have tissue, water, and Tupperware. Then I put tissue in the Tupperware. Then I double it. Then I put some water to the tissue. Then akong gi-prepare ang seeds, tapos ako din isa-isa og butang ang seeds. Then I put tissue to cover the seeds. Then I put some water, but slight lang akong gibutang kay para dili kay sobra ka basa ang tissue. Tapos gibot niya na po din ako og tissue. Then ako na po siyang giutruhan og basa ang tissue. Then I cover the Tupperware. Then that's it. And after 2 days, tarang! Next is sexual propagation. Then that's soil, water, pot, and the sibuyas dahon. Then that's it, the materials I prepare. And let's start. I put some soil in the pot. 2, 3. Then I start to put the sibuyas dahon on the pot. Then then spread the soil in the pot. Then that's it, the unsexual propagation demonstration. Then let's rate the result after 2 to 3 days. Then after 2 to 3 days, that's it.